डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे मिल्किन्स ऑयल ड्रॉप एक्सपेरिमेंट टू स्टडी चार्ज ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन. Before this, you have studied charge to mass ratio of electron, which was given by Sir J.J. Thomson. So after that, we need to calculate or we need to find charge on the electron and mass of the electron separately. So for that, we study Millikan's oil drop experiment. Students, he had used one oil drop apparatus, and in this apparatus, what do you see? You see three main things in this apparatus. You see one atomizer spray. In this oil spray is oil thing is filled, and this sprayer this sprays very fine oil droplets, and here these droplets are as small as the size of an atom. Okay, so इस apparatus में जो three major things use हुई हैं वो है एक atomizer spray, and the second thing which is used is is X-ray source. So this X-ray source emits X-ray radiation, students. और इन radiations का क्या काम होता है? These radiations, they ionize the air present inside the chamber. So these the air which is present inside the chamber, that air contains small atoms, and electrons from these atoms are separated. So this is how some free electrons are also found over there. Okay. Now the third thing you will observe is a fine hole present over there, through which oil droplets fall. The hole is so small that every time only one droplet is able to fall through this. तो इस तरह क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? ड्रॉपलेट्स एक के बाद एक लाइन से गिरती चली जाती हैं, and the electron which is present over there, that electron gets stuck to the oil droplets. Okay, तो क्या होता है? ये oil droplets भी चार्ज्ड हो जाती हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो ऑयल ड्रॉपलेट्स यहाँ पर गिरती हैं, इनका ये ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स की वजह से नीचे की ओर जाती हैं. You have seen that we have applied here, we have fixed here electrically charged plates, isn't it? So positive and negative end भी यहाँ पर हैं. So हम क्या करते हैं? When the electron when the electron sticks to these oil droplets, ये oil droplets electrically charged plate की तरफ भी move करती हैं, और gravitational force भी इन पर apply होता है. तो हम इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज को मेंटेन करते हुए, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को मेंटेन करते हुए, हम इन ऑयल ड्रॉपलेट्स को दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में स्टैटिक बना देते हैं. इनका मूवमेंट हम स्टॉप कर देते हैं. And this is how, by observing the effects of electrical field strength on the motion of the oil droplets, it was concluded the magnitude of electrical charge, that is Q, isn't it? So later on, when it was observed properly, students, Q was found an integral multiple of the charge present on these charge present on each electrons. तो किसी oil droplet का charge electron का double था, किसी का triple था, isn't it? So we know that Q equals to N into E. This is how we could calculate the charge. Students, the present accepted value of electrical charge is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 1.6022 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, isn't it? So this is the smallest measurable quantity of charge. This is called 1 unit. Mass of the electron further was very easy to calculate, students. क्योंकि हमें ये रेशियो पता है ना, हमें E/me का रेशियो पता है जो सर जे थॉमसन ने दिया था, विच इज इक्वल टू 1.758820 into 10⁻11 कूलम पर kg. So me was calculated easily as me equals to E/me. Mass of electron. So mass of electron, students, 1.6022 into 10⁻19 coulomb divided by 1.758820 into 10⁻11 coulomb per kg. That comes out to be 9.1 into 10⁻31 kg.